students, welcome to our online classes. Today I am going to teach our English book, chapter 11, What I Can Be When I Grow Up. Dear students, now you all are childs, so you may have a dream what can be you in future. Your aim should be a doctor or a teacher or an engineer, etc. etc. In this topic, like you, there is a child which has different aims to become in his life, but he is confused what can be he made when he grow up. Now we know what is the aim of the child. So dear students, let's come. Dear students, you should read this topic with help of your parents. Now I should clarify this topic. You listen it mindfully. Chapter 11, What I Can Be When I Grow Up. Hi, I am Ram. That means this child name is Ram. My parents, relatives and my friends' parents all have such great job. That means his parents, relatives and friends' parents all are in great jobs. They call it their occupation. That means वो उनका काम है. I am confused about what I want to be when I grow up. He was confused. What can he do when he grow up? I can be a pilot. Pilots fly airplanes. Her first aim is pilot because pilots fly airplanes. They go to the airport even day and fly passenger to different countries. That means he should like to fly in different countries, so he likes to be a pilot. In the second, I can be a scientist. He also wants to become a scientist because a scientist invents and discovers things. Invents means make new things, and discovers there are just things, but he take it from people's eyes. Scientists have invented televisions, computers, satellites, medicines and many other things. That means a scientist invented everything. We use a pen to write. It also invented a scientist. They help to us understand the world and make it better for us to live in. That means they all are helps to understand this world. Next, I can be an engineer. That means you should like to be an engineer because an engineer designs and builds big houses, engines, bridges, roads, buildings and dams. And next, he wants to be a doctor. Doctors help sick people get well. That means doctors, we know doctors are the second god of us because doctors help sick people get well and they work in the hospital. And next, I can be a social worker. He also wants to be a social worker because a social worker helps old and poor people and people in need of help. We know our basic work is we should help others. A social worker helps old and poor people. So he wants to become a social worker. And next, I can be a lawyer. वो उसको lawyer भी बनना है क्योंकि lawyer works in courtroom and helps us in just getting justice. Next, I can be a chef because a chef cooks different types of food dishes in a restaurant. Being a chef would be exciting because you get to cook and taste so many types of food. And I can be a soldier in the army and protect our country from enemies. Also, he wants to become a soldier to protect our country from enemies. And I can be a teacher. He also wants a teacher because a teacher teaches us math, science, English and many other subjects because he or she gives us knowledge. A teacher gives us knowledge. And I can be a journalist. He also wants to become a journalist. A journalist writes for newspaper and magazines about current events and other information. We know all the newses of other countries, other states at our home due to this person, due to journalist. So he wants to become a journalist. I can be a policeman who helps to helps prevent crime and keep order. A policeman also sees that the laws are obeyed. And there are so many choices. I wish I could be all of them. That means there are so many choices. उसके बाद बहुत ज़्यादा choice है. वो चाहता है कि वो सब कुछ कर सके, लेकिन एक इंसान को एक ही पर फोकस करने से उसका एम फुलफिल होता है. तो आप सबको एक ही एम रख के, कोई भी एक एम लेके आगे जाना है और उसको फुलफिल करना है. There are some new words. I write all the meanings of the new words, like occupation means professions, in which field he works. Designs means to make a plan or to make a pattern. Social means relating to society. Justice means the quality of being justice. Freedom means to stop from doing something. Confused, unable to think clearly. Passengers one rides or travels in a vehicle. Invented, made up. Enemies, unfriend. Journalist, a reporter who works in the news field. That means this child wants to become everything. He also wants a scientist, an engineer, a doctor, a lawyer, a chef, a teacher, a soldier, a journalist, a policeman. Because when we want more, we do for more. So, dear students, your aim should be in a particular place and should work for this aim. We get success in your life. Due to lack of time in this class, we also discuss comprehension of this chapter. First, choose the correct option. That means there are options, you should write correct one. A pilot does who drives in process or sells ships or flies airplanes. A pilot flies planes. An engineer does make big machines, helps old people, writes a newspaper. Helps old people is work for a social worker, writes a newspaper, work for a journalist, and makes big machine is work on engineer. A desk helps us in getting justice. Which one helps us to getting justice? A lawyer helps us in getting justice. True, false. If the statement is right, then you should write T. If the statement is false, then you should write F. A scientist invents and discovers things. Yes, a scientist invents and discovers things. A social worker could cook food in a restaurant. No, a social worker helps old and poor people. A chef cooks food in a restaurant. To protect our country from enemies, we need army. No, to protect our country. Yes. To protect our country from enemies, we need army. A journalist writes for newspaper. Yes, a journalist writes for newspaper. Next, answer the following question. I read all the question answer in your hard copy. Like, what does a scientist do? A scientist helps us in understanding the world and invent things that make our lives easier. They have invented television, computers, satellites, medicine, and many other things. Number 2, how does a doctor help us? A doctor helps us to by curing sick people. Where does a lawyer work? A lawyer works in a courtroom. How does a policeman help us? A policeman prevents crime and maintains law and order. Next, answer the following question with reference to the context. That means there is a line, I am confused about what I want to be when I grow up. And you should answer this question according to this line. Who said this? Rama said this. Why the speaker is confused? The speaker is confused because all the professions seem to be equally good. Next, vocabulary. Guess the professions, choose for the answer from the box below. That means there are 4 professions. You should write correct professions for the. I take care of animals and work in an hospital. Man means वो एनिमल का देखभाल करता है, वो एनिमल हॉस्पिटल का उसको कहते हैं ना वेटेरियन. क्या कहते हैं? वेटेरियन. I sell ships and boats on the ocean and travel to different countries. Who can sell a ship? A sailor. Answer is sailor. I write songs, play different instruments like guitar, drums, piano, etc. and work in studio. Which one? Now, musician. I take care of everyone's teeth and work in a clinic. That means he is a dentist. He is a dentist. Next, complete each sentence by adding will at the beginning of the verb. We use will with a verb to talk about the future. जब कोई काम फ्यूचर में होता है तो उसके लिए हम लोग will verb यूज करते हैं. जैसे my dad dash a car. My dad will buy a car. I dash television in the morning. I will be watch television in the morning. We dash lunch at 1 p.m. We will serve lunch at 1 p.m. I dash my bag. I will pack my bag. Grandma dash the best cookies. Grandma will bake the best cookies. The train dash in New York. The train will stop in New York. This is all about chapter 11. Dear student, this is the hard copy and here is all the exercise of this chapter. You should write in your English copy and practice it. Thank you.